Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 14. I believe all this that you say to me as true, O Keshava. Verily, O blessed Lord, neither the Devas nor the Danavas know your manifestation, identity.
Chapter 10, Shloka 14. Sarvamedat rutam manye yanmam vadasi keshava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdevana danavaha.
Chapter 10, Shloka 14. What is the attitude of the seeker in Arjuna when he asks this question? Arjuna, even though he accepts what Krishna says, he cannot understand the significance of his declarations. He has sufficient faith and belief, yet his intellect wants to know more. Subjectively, Devas stand for the nobler and the higher comprehensions in us, and the Danavas for the hosts of negative urges in each heart. Arjuna is expressing his despair that the identity of the self cannot be fixed either by the subtlest and the noblest of our perceptions, nor can we apprehend the self through our Danava-like challenges to possess, to acquire, to investigate, and to know. There are two ways to meeting another being or thing, either as a friend or as a foe, either as something we like or as something we hate. Neither the good in us can embrace the truth, nor can the bad in us challenge and bring us the truth as an opposing force or an enemy right in front of us. In neither way can we apprehend the individual personality or the total personality of the self, it being the subject, both in its expressions as the microcosm, as the individual yoga, and as the macrocosm, as the totality vibhuti. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.